How to change country on Google Play Store. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily change country on Google Play Store. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Google Play Store and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, what you want to do is tap on your profile icon at the top right. And then from here, if you head over to the settings menu, as you can see, there is no option to change your country or region from your settings. So what you're going to have to do is tap on here and then tap on the payment and subscription option. Now you can see your payment options and payment methods right here on the Google Play Store. So you're going to tap on payment methods and tap on more payment settings. Once you do that, it will open up your browser and direct you to the Google's payment method. So if you haven't added your payment method already, go ahead and add a payment method. And while you add your payment method, there is an option to select your country. Or if you already have added your payment method, then in that case, you can just go ahead and tap on the three lines that will appear here once you've added the payment method, and then change your country from there. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.